This is our most requested Thanksgiving dish every year. A real perennial favorite and always gone in minutes after being served. A delicious rustic recipe as popular with kids as it is with adults.
Let's start with a couple of turkey breasts and slow cook them in a chicken broth for an hour. This will make the meat tender and fall apart. While we are waiting for the turkey, this is a good time to also slow cook some fresh carrots with some unsalted butter. Low to medium heat and 15 to 20 minutes will be perfect.
When the carrots have softened, add a little olive oil and about a half cup of flour to build a roux. When the flour starts to boil, you can add in the onions and the celery, and then we will slowly pour in the chicken stock. As the stock thickens, pour in more and stir well until you have a really yummy, creamy texture.
Next, let's add some peas and then the delicious pulled turkey meat. Lastly, we'll add the spice pack and some heavy cream. We are using sage, thyme, parsley, salt and pepper. This is where you could and should experiment with the spices you and your family and friends enjoy the most. There are absolutely no rules here. Pour in your amazingly delicious turkey pot pie mix and then let sit and cool down for 20 minutes or so before we add the pastry.
Thanksgiving time in the kitchen can be very hectic, so this is store-bought pastry to save a little time, but it is really easy to also make your own.
Stretch the pastry to cover your dish and use an egg with some cream to brush the seal and liberally also brush the cover. This will give you a nice golden finish after about 35 minutes in a 400-degree oven.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye now.
I'm Frank. I'm James.
I'm Katie.
I'm Mariah.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Lhasa.
And together, we are Lass's Kitchen.